Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Filing a complaint on the GST portal is a straightforward process when you know the steps. This system helps taxpayers report various issues, from technical errors to problems with tax officers, ensuring accountability. Understanding each stage helps you articulate your concern effectively. Let's start by navigating to the correct section of the portal to begin your submission. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the official GST portal address, www.gst.gov.in. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the Help and Taxpayer Services tab, usually found at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Grievance Redressal Portal. This is your gateway to initiating a formal complaint effectively and efficiently. Upon reaching the Grievance Redressal Portal, you will see an option labeled Lodge Grievance. Click on it to begin. Next, carefully select the grievance type that best describes your issue from the provided list. For instance, a complaint against tax official. Then, ensure you accurately pick the grievance pertaining to category to ensure your complaint is directed to the correct department for resolution. Now, carefully fill in all the required details on the form, including your GSTIN and the specific period related to the issue. In the dedicated text box, articulate your grievance clearly and concisely, focusing on facts and avoiding emotional language. Remember to attach any relevant supporting documents, such as screenshots or emails. These can be PDF or JPEG files with a maximum size of 5 MB each. Before clicking Submit, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, click the Submit button to finalize your complaint. After successful submission, the system will generate a unique grievance ID. Please note this down. You can use this ID on the portal to track the real-time status and progress of your complaint.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.